Friends, today I am going to tell about the all rules of the chess openings and chess game. What is the rule of chess game and how to play it in English and Hindi both languages. Now I am speaking about the cashling. What is the meaning of cashling? You think you know it? You should know what is the meaning of cashling. Cashling means when you open everything of your piece like this. This is open. This is known as a cashling. Automatically, first you have to touch your king and placing a second square, one gapping and giving the second square is known as castling. How to do long castle? Now I am showing you how to do long castle. That is white. From white I am telling you how to do long castle. Like this you can activate everything, and this is the long castle starting. This is the short castle, and the long castle will be like this, one square gapping and the second square will be placed. First of all, king, you have to touch your king, then the castling will be happen, otherwise castling will not valid. If you do like this, then no castling will be done. Understand? So you have to not do like this. You should first take off your king and place it once the castling. Oh, done. One more rule is going here in the castling. When you move your king displace one place to another place, and again placing your king one place to another place, castling will not valid. If you do here king, opponent will move another thing, then the castling will be not done after that, because you have moved the king once. Once you have moved the king, it should be not blade castling. It should be not castle. See, not castling, not the double castling, not the long castle, not a king castle side, king side, or not queen side. Castling will be done. Now I am going to tell what is the rule of the check move, rule of checks. Okay, once the check goes in the castling, if you do like this and I do like this, you should do like this. If I do check, you move your king, then the castling will be not happen anymore. Anytime no castling will be happen. So you have to not move your king, you have to defend your king to do castling. Now I am going to tell about that. If one anything will be in the place of castling, it means like this. I am saying that. If it is here and you will do castling, not, it will not happen. See, not happening. It can't do, because the something is there in the game, something is there in the line of the king and rooks. Another I am saying you that like this also it can be happen. If you do like this, if you do like this, it will be like this, and this will be cross, king will cross. Once more like this. I know this is blunder move, but I am just going to explain. This is a demo. You move here. If you do like this, you can't do castle because there is a one boundary, one line will be checked, so you can't do this castling. If anywhere the king, queen or other all pieces attack in the middle of the board, it will not castling done, because castling cannot be done. Okay, now another move I'm saying about the rules. If it is a rule that when you play like this first move and he plays this is move, again you play like this, you play like this. Now he's play like this, when the white will play like this, there is no other way to cross this, it can be crossed. See, it can be cut and crossed, because this is the rule. This is the rule made by the Chess India, and this you can do in the game. If anybody's play like this, then you can play like this. Okay, once more. Now you once more I show you the demo. When you do like this, anybody say pull the pawn double through the square of first rank, his first home square to second move, you can cross by this, like this. So there is no any invalid move in this. Any side pawn will be moved double. When the white pawn is the similar board position, then it can be cut or crossed or killed. Okay, there is no any confusion, I think. Now I am explaining the another move. If we do like this, queen will place in the place like this, then you can't move your pawns anywhere because the check is there. Okay, so you can't move. Now I am the board positions move and the explanation has been completed. Now I am going to tell about the what is the rules of chess, then how you have to play. You should not do any illegal move like check. We don't speak check because the rule does not say that you speak chess while playing. Opponent should know and detect the checks in the boards. Okay, another move, that when the check has been done and the opponent has not looked his check, like this. If you do like this, and if you do like this and the check has been done and you don't speak check here, only the move you didn't see this check, you move another move, that is a first illegal, and like this you will do 2 times, you will lost the game. You can lose the game. This is a rule, and this is the strictly rule provided by the FIDE Chess Association and the game of chess. This is the biggest rule in the chess. Okay, this you should maintain, and you should not do like this because check is there, and check you have to see every checks and everything in the board you can see. Okay, now I'm saying that how deciding of the player who will play black and white. It is not just a manual done, it is just a computer training. Computer makes the pairing means the board who will play white and who will play the black's move, who will play the black and which player will play the white. And another thing I am saying that when anybody plays any moves, the first move should goes to white, and second move then black move, priority to white, and white should play. You can't speak, we can't talk in the chess, between the chess games with another player or with your opponents. You can ask only 2 times or 3 times. Offer draw means we'll divide the game by doing the offer draw. Okay, there is 3 type of draws. Now I am explaining the which type of draw. When we do like this, when the similar move we move 3 times, one time, again I take back, then again we take second time, it's repeat simultaneously 3 times, it will be game will be draw. It is the rule. When we move 3 times, any piece or any position comes in the board, photogenic draw. This is known as the similar move draws, or we can say that similar moves of counting the moves is draw. You can see here, there is the draw. We one move, see bishop c5, bishop c5 again, bishop c5 second move, and bishop c5's third move. Then this is the draw. Both the move has been done 3 times, white and black. It is the game draw. Photogenic draw, what is photogenic draw? Means this, like this similar position where we come in board, the similar position come 3 times, it is known as photogenic draw. If it repeats any position after 3 move or 4 moves, and the same position will be become in the board, same pieces, same place, everything will be, then it is known as photogenic draws. Okay, there is a one more move I think you should know, and many has a confusion in this move. When any pawn goes in the last rank, in this rank, king in end position, any moves will go. Wait, I am showing you. Wait, I am showing you. Wait. If any pawns reaches to the last rank, I am showing you by the positioning of the board. Okay, then there should be anything you can make it. When white moves one move, second move, again, oh sorry, this is the move when we play. Then there is a photogenic, not you can make anything in the last rank. There is no another rule that how much queen you can make. You can make at least 8 queen in the board, because it is a rule that you can make anything. Okay, king, queen, except king, knight, bishop, rook, you can make even this pawn also queen in the board chess game. I think you understand that any pawn can reach the his last rank, his home, after leaving his home rank to a last rank. He travel this much line, he can be a queen. He can be always a queen. Okay, queen, king, anything except the king. Okay, when you move like this, when you move like this pawn cannot become a queen, because the king will stop the king. Stop this pawn, can stop. See how this is a technique. This is a technique. It will score one pawn more. Then you move this like this check will come. Then you move it to your home. White only need to stop this pawn, or not. White cannot win, but black can win if this pawn reaches to its last rank. So this is a long cut position, long position taken by the king. This again once more, and this is check. He has to wait to stop this pawn, and when he will move here, the game will become draw, because no move to go queen. See, so this is the game draw. I think all the rules I have, and that's all for the day, and everything I have explained you should know it, and many more rules, not other rules is left here. I think if you have any confusion in any rules, you just ask me or comment me. I will try to explain everything and every moves which you are facing it, the problems. Thank you very much. If you are new, you must subscribe it and like the bell like and bell icon you have to press. Thank you very much, friends.